Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how Poland is quietly winning. We'll explore the remarkable economic transformation that has positioned Poland as a significant player in Europe. From its impressive GDP growth to its resilience during global financial crises, Poland's journey is a testament to strategic development. We'll delve into the key factors driving this success, offering a clear, step-by-step understanding of its achievements. Poland's economic dynamism is truly impressive. The country has consistently shown strong growth, even leading the European Union in quarterly GDP increases. This robust performance attracts substantial foreign direct investment, with billions of euros flowing into various sectors. Global tech giants are establishing significant presences, recognizing Poland's stable economy and skilled workforce. This influx of capital and expertise fuels further innovation and job creation across the nation. Beyond economics, Poland's geopolitical influence is growing. The nation has significantly increased its defense spending, becoming a top contributor to NATO land capabilities. Its strategic location makes it a crucial logistical hub for international aid, demonstrating its commitment to regional stability. Furthermore, Poland's tech sector is booming, with substantial growth and a vibrant startup ecosystem. This innovation, particularly in software and fintech, positions Poland as a key player in Europe's digital future. Looking ahead, Poland's future appears bright. The country continues its ambitious military modernization, aiming for a significantly expanded and modern combat aircraft fleet. Its digital economy is also on a rapid growth trajectory, projected to nearly triple in value over the next few years. This sustained progress across multiple sectors highlights Poland's strategic vision and potential. For more great content and deals, including a link to the Oala water bottle, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.